Hello everyone, welcome back to Dory and Toys. Today we're gonna open food and lots of things and a microwave oven. But first, let's look around the box. There's food, donuts, a microwave oven. Oh, it seems like we can twist the button. Yeah, look at the back. They have decorations. There's a bubble to say something, but this isn't the language that I speak. Oh, there are some grabbers. Yeah, I don't really know how to say it. Tiny donuts and a cupcake, I think. Oh, it seems like something glowing. I don't know. Okay, let's cut the tape. Thank you. First, you need to hold it like this, so it's easier. Cut the tape down here. Two more on the side. Now we open it. Flip it here. Okay, now let's see the things inside. First, let's check out the donuts. This one is purple, has flowers and sprinkles. Next, there's a tiny chocolate bar that's a little eaten and sprinkles. This one's pink, like a peach color, yeah. This one's, it has cream like white chocolate and black chocolate. This is a snowman and a Christmas tree. It's brown, yeah. It's a little brown and a little yellowish. Let's see this one. I think this one's chocolate with white chocolate on top, see? And ice cream and a lollipop, yeah. Oh, and there's a gummy bear. This one has green and pink with sprinkles. And lastly, the one with fruits. This one's an apple, strawberry with black chocolate with a pink color, yeah. Okay, now let's see a cake. Oh, this one's squishy, see? It's squishy. And it has some kind of a thing down, see? Oh, look, there's a strawberry and you can put it on top. See? Yeah, let's put the cupcake here. And there's another one with a crown on top. It's yellow, it has leaves on it and a bow like the other one. Now there's a blue dish that says Happy Toys. Okay. Oh, two pieces of bread. One is pink and this one is yellow with lots of colorful candy. Yeah. This one has fruit and a bow. This one has a pink bow. This one has a purple bow. Okay. And let's see what else. Oh, there's the grabber. See? You can grab this one. See? And put it on the dish to eat. See? Okay, let's see what else. Oh, I wonder what this box is. It seems like it has nothing inside. Later we'll see. Oh, and finally, the microwave. Oh, we can twist this one. Okay, now let's check around the microwave oven. Oh, look, it has this switchy thingy. What is this for? I actually don't know. Look! How do you open this? Ah, you need to push the one down. Come on. See? It has this a thing to hold it, so you need to push it down so you can open it. Oh, look! It has a magnet, see? It's a little hard to see. A magnet. It can control it to go down. Okay, now let's put the battery inside. First we need something to get it out. You need to turn to the left. See? Turn to the left. Here, you hold it. This is very important, so don't lose it. The table right here. Get it out. Okay, now we need the battery. Thank you. Let's put one of them here. Okay, so this is how you do. See? Like this one doesn't go to the springy. It goes on the other side without the springy. And this one, the flat one, goes to the springy. See? And now you just put it back in. Oopsie. Wait, other side. And yeah, see? Now you just need to twirl it back on. Okay, now let's play. Okay, first what should we bake? Maybe this one. Okay, this cupcake. Let's put this one aside and get the decorations for it. This one and this one. Okay, first we need to open it. Push this one down. Oh, okay. Here. I put the cupcake in by the grabber. Yeah, like put it in back deep so it doesn't like pop out. Okay, let's push it in. Okay, first put it here. Next we close it. And then, see? It has music. You just need to throw it up. Let's wait. Oh, it has a ding. That's fun. Okay, let's put this down. Oh, wait. Hot. It's hot. A hot pancake. I need cupcake. Okay, now close this one. Okay, let's wait for it to cool down. Now let's decorate it. First, this one, and decorate for the cupcake. See, a bow. Next, let's put the strawberry on. See? Now, do you guys want to eat this? You can go and buy it. This is just one. Maybe we should do donuts. Yeah. Let's do another cupcake. This one, because it's the last one anyway. Now let's get the decorations. Okay. Open the oven. Now put it in. Close it. Let's bake it. And wait. There. Now let's grab it and deep. Hot. Close it. Okay. Let's get this one and put you in. Push this one up. There. Now the tiny crown for decoration. And finish. Now let's do the toast. Which toast should we do? Do you want to do both? Okay, let's try doing both. There's this one and this one. There. Now we turn it on. It's a little tight, but I think it's fine. See? It's fun. Ding. There. Now the toast. It's a little bit hard. I'll use hand. Hot. Oh. There. Now we can enjoy. Yum. Yum. I guess we don't have jam, but it's fine. Ooh, now let's do the whole dish of donuts. Wanna try? Okay. Shouldn't put the whole dish in. Maybe one by one. Yeah, one by one. Okay, one by one. One more. Oh, it actually fit it. 6. Okay, let's push this one aside. Put the toast on. Yeah. Okay, and let's cook it. I can't believe 6 in 1 microwave. Okay, it's finished. Okay, let's put the toast aside and put the donuts in. Whoa, that's hot. Hot. One more. There. Now we're finished cooking all the food. Now we can give it a taste test. Oh, yum yum. It's so yummy. Let's try the cupcake. But I think it's time to sell. Okay, let's do it. Let's cook everything. But first, I need to settle it down. There. Slowly, slowly. There's a lot of donuts